Welcome everyone to our SPR product production and testing process. The first is our production workshop. We use a 6-die and 6-punch cold heading machine to produce SPR rivets. This is our heat treatment workshop.
Now, we would like to test 5.3 by 8.5 size SPR rivets. The part number is K508P44H.
Next is our plating thickness detection.
ZNSN thickness is 11 Mauritanian ouguias.
We use vernier calipers to test the head and neck of the SPR rivet.
The head diameter is 7.74 mm.
We use vernier calipers to test the length of SPR rivets.
The body length is 9.51 mm.
We use measuring tools to test the stem diameter of SPR rivets.
The SPR rivet stem diameter is 5.334 mm.
We use measuring tools to test the internal diameter of SPR rivets.
The SPR rivet internal diameter is 3.17 mm.
We use measuring tools to test the head thickness inside the SPR rivets.
The SPR head thickness inside is 3.54 mm. After testing by our professional equipment, the flange thickness is 1.539.
We use testing equipment to test the hardness of the SPR surface.
Our data can achieve 481.5 HV.
The next thing you see is the SPR riveting tools and equipment we imported from abroad. SPR rivet riveting test. We use professional equipment to measure the embedded dimensions of SPR rivets after riveting to ensure the mechanical properties after riveting. Shear resistance test after SPR riveting.
As you can see, our largest shear is 11,000 knots.
We use laser selecting machines to screen mass-produced SPR rivets. The last step is to tape and package the SPR rivets.